Hello my dear friends, welcome to our channel Easy Learning with Annie. I hope you all will be good and fine. So today we are going to learn and write slogans on Women's Day. So let's start the video. Honor, love and respect women. Second slogan is education, not discrimination. Here his third slogan is nothing will work unless you do. All women and proud of it. Dear friends, fifth slogan is careers have no genders. Sixth slogan is we all can do that, we are women. Women are beautiful miracle in life. Give rights to women and bring them ahead. Second last slogan is dignity, respect and justice for all. Last slogan is it's your day, happy Women's Day. So please dear friends, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more upcoming and informative videos. Thank you.